As we become more and more aware of our impact on the environment, the importance of transitioning from conventional energy resources to renewable sources is becoming clearer to consumers. Fossil fuels, such as coal and natural gas, have been our primary source of power for decades. However, the process of getting fossil fuels out of the ground and into your home creates pollution and damages ecosystems. That's why more and more people have been pushing for cleaner and renewable energy solutions. These include green energy, clean energy, sustainable energy, and more. In this video, we will give you complete information about green and renewable energy. What is green energy and renewable energy? Types of green and renewable energy, difference between green energy and renewable energy, and much more. All you have to do is stay with us, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then subscribe to the channel. What is green energy? Green energy is any energy type that is generated from natural resources, such as sunlight, wind, or water. It often comes from renewable energy sources, although there are some differences between renewable and green energy, which we will explore below. Types of green and renewable energy. The 6 most common forms are as follows. 1. Solar power. Solar is a clean source of energy which comes directly from the sun. This common renewable, green energy source is usually produced using photovoltaic cells that capture sunlight and turn it into electricity. Solar power has now become affordable enough to be used for domestic purposes, although it is also used on a larger scale to power entire neighborhoods. 2. Wind power. Wind energy uses the power of the flow of air around the world to push turbines that then generate electricity. 3. Hydropower. Also known as hydroelectric power, this type of green energy uses the flow of water in rivers, streams, dams, or elsewhere to produce energy. Hydropower can even work on a small scale using the flow of water through pipes in the home, or can come from evaporation, rainfall, or the tides in the oceans. 4. Geothermal energy. Geothermal energy is heat within the earth. Geothermal energy is a renewable energy source, because heat is continuously produced inside the earth. People use geothermal heat for bathing, to heat buildings, and to generate electricity. This type of green power uses thermal energy that has been stored just under the Earth's crust. 5. Biogas. The beauty of biogas, if it can be described as such, is that it is not only a green energy source, but that it makes use of our waste products. Produced as a byproduct when organic matter decomposes, biogas comes from materials such as sewage, food, agricultural waste, and etc. These materials are stored in containers without oxygen, causing them to ferment and produce methane and carbon dioxide as well as other gases. The methane produced can then be sold on and used to heat homes, produce electricity, and fuel vehicles. At the same time, the waste placed in a biogas digester becomes nutrient-rich fertilizer, perfect for farms and even home use. 6. Biomass. This renewable resource also needs to be carefully managed in order to be truly labeled as a green energy source. Biomass power plants use wood waste, sawdust, and combustible organic agricultural waste to create energy. Difference between green energy and renewable energy. Green energy is actually a subset of renewable energy, and includes those renewable energy resources that offer the greatest environmental benefit. So, although all green energy resources are renewable, but not all renewable resources are considered green. For example, wind power is green and renewable, but burning wood is renewable but not green energy.